Hey everyone, this is Meyer, and I'm proud to partner with Ready for Masterclass to bring you a Jup-8000 V sound design course. So what we're going to be doing is going through Arturia's Jup-8000 V, which is their sort of reimagining and recreation of the legendary Roland JP-8000. And what I want to do is show you how you can use this sound to get a lot of old school type trance sounds and how flexible and easy it is to use. Now, this is a great synth if you're new to sound design and you want to learn how to create your own sounds from scratch, because it has all the controls that you need to get started without being overly bloated. I think a lot of times people will open a synth like, say, Serum or Spire, and they'll just be like, I don't know what to do. And this was a synth that I used to actually learn sound design, not Arturia's version because it wasn't out yet, but kind of versions of it, including the original hardware versions as well. It's a great place to get started, and it also is very deep and very flexible. And we're going to be using some of the features, really stretching it to its limit, including some of the advanced features that Arturia has added. So if you're interested in creating electronic music, especially with that late 90s, early 2000s feel, then go ahead and check out this course where we'll be creating over 10 sounds from scratch. In addition to, of course, the video part of the course, which is over 4 hours long, where we build the sounds from scratch, you'll also have access, of course, to the presets, to the MIDI files and samples that we use, and to the project that we're going to be creating. So I want to show you how these songs work in the context of a track. So what we'll be doing is, in addition to sort of doing the sound design, we'll be doing the sound design in the context of what I would consider to be a mini track. So that's what we've done here, and I'll go ahead and play it for you and kind of show you what we're going to be creating in some of the sounds that we have. I'll provide a link in the description so you can go ahead and check out the course, and yeah, come join me so we can make some awesome sounds.